West Australian industry continues to lead Australia in winning major resource fabrication and assembly projects. The Rio Tinto Amrun project at Weipa in Far North Queensland has seen more success for WA fabrication and assembly companies for the major capital equipment mining and resource projects around Australia. The Amrun project is a bauxite mine including all associated processing and port facilities and is on schedule to full production by late 2019. 2 contracts were delivered for the Amrun project from the AMC Common User Facility between 2017 and 2018. Civmec was contracted by Rio Tinto to construct a processing facility including a beneficiation plant and associated water, electrical and lighting systems for the project. This included 6 1,200-ton bauxite beneficiation modules and 1 transfer tower. These were built in the CUF main fabrication hall on precast concrete slabs to minimise site works and provide stability for barge transport. These modules were built complete with structural steel, piping, mechanical and electrical fit-out up to pre-commissioning stage. The completed modules and tower were transferred on the AMC CUF SPMTs to loadout wharf AMC 5 and shipped using Mega Caravan 2 heavy load carrier to the Amrun site. Sandvik Mining Systems built the 550-ton stacker and 1,700-ton reclaimer using local fabricators. These were complete and were partially commissioned at the AMC CUF and transferred on the AMC CUF SPMTs to loadout wharf AMC 4 and onto Jumbo Jubilee heavy lift vessel in June 2018. Offload at the Amrun site required the reclaimer to be transported in 2 large sections. The main body of the ship loader was the final piece of infrastructure to be built by Sandvik. It was transferred to loadout wharf AMC 4, where Jumbo Fairmaster heavy lift vessel loaded and transported it to the Amrun site in August 2018. The success of the recent Rio Tinto Amrun project comes immediately after the Port Kembla Coal Terminal project, and these have become the cornerstone for future projects planned to be built at the AMC CUF. The Western Australian AMC Common User Facility, delivering and executing projects safely to international standards to the whole of Australia, now and in the future. The benefits are clear: local content and local jobs provide quality outcomes.